She wanna see wonder, wanna get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your game, my game, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. Today's video is super exciting. It is sponsored by Sam's Beauty, so thank you so much, Sam's, for sending over this new wig. And now let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good stuff coming on the channel. So today's wig is from the Color Bomb collection from Outre, and the unit that I have today is called NAHLA, and I have her in OM Pink Plum. And this color is super exciting. I have literally never had a wig in this color before. I have colored 613 wigs to a color that's similar to this, but never could I achieve this particular color, and I think this color is absolutely gorgeous. So when I saw it was available in a wig, I was like, oh yes. I love choosing colors that I could not necessarily achieve on my own, because otherwise what's the point of getting a wig if like I can make that color myself? Like I want to try something different, something that looks interesting and exciting. Like even this color here, I've made wigs in this color, so I was like, the color is pretty, but I'm not gonna get it because I've had wigs in this color before. So this one is really nice, you guys. It has dark roots, and they're not too long. Sometimes dark roots are too long for my taste, but this one looks pretty good. It does have the baby hairs that are already laid out for you. The curl pattern is very cute. It's like that slight wave with straight at the ends. I think you can achieve this with wand curls. I've never been successful at it, but I think that is the way you achieve these type of waves. I wouldn't know. That's why I'm like, yeah, give me a wig like that so I don't have to try to figure it out. So let's look at the cap construction on the inside. We have two combs on either side. One comb on either side. We have one comb in the back. We have our two adjustable straps, which I am going to connect together. We have some lace around the edge and a lace parting area. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace. I'm going to add some powder into the part. I'm going to take this wig off and then pop this one on. If you're curious about this one, this is from Sam's Beauty as well. I will leave a link up here at the top so you can check this one out, but make sure you finish watching this video first. So behind the hairline, I really like how this wig is looking. I don't think I would probably wear this wig any other way. I think it looks great behind the hairline with my own baby hairs out. Now, if you don't have that option, if you don't have baby hairs or don't like to wear your own baby hairs out, then you can absolutely wear the baby hairs on this wig. I actually cut them off. So I cut that area of the lace off where the baby hairs were so that I wouldn't have to contend with those baby hairs and my own. So this wig is slightly angled. I didn't realize that. This wig is longer in the front and shorter in the back. I tend to hate wigs like that, honestly. They're really not my jam. I don't know why. I've always hated wigs like that are like longer in the front and shorter in the back. So that's one ding against this wig, but honestly, the color literally probably makes up for it because this color is so fire. Like, look at this color. You've never seen a color like this before, especially in a synthetic wig. Like, this color would even be hard to achieve in human hair. So I think that this wig is absolutely stunning. It's so different, it's so beautiful, and just the color just takes it to another level. Like, the style of it is cute. It's very simple and effortless. It feels very effortless. Actually feels like maybe it's lopsided. Am I not wearing it in the center? Okay, maybe that's better, because it was feeling like a little lopsided. I do feel like the color is coming down too low right here. Like, I'm not sure why the color is coming so low down. Just like this piece is too much of the purple color. I feel like it should be more of the white, the lighter color. But that's my only gripe about this one. And let me turn around so you can see it from all sides. All right, you guys, so this is Miss NAHLA. What do you guys think of this unit? This unit I do feel like is Dragoness approved because I love the color. I love the wave pattern, the style. I love how flat it's laying without me having to do any work. It's very much like take it out the package and go. I love that effortlessness about it. And yeah, the only downside is that it's an angled bob. But I guess you could always like trim it to be even, but then you're losing a lot of that good color. So I don't think I would even do that. What do you guys think about this unit? I think she's super cute and I'm going to give her the stamp of approval. If you guys want to check out this wig, you can definitely check her out on SAMSBEAUTY.com. I'll leave a link down below so you can go ahead and click it and see what is going on with this wig and all the colors that Color Bomb by Outre has to offer. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like this video. Give me a big old thumbs up. Make sure you share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Share this video with your mother, okay? All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.